In this video, I'm going to show you how you can crop a video in Shotcut. So it is pretty much easy, and by just following simple steps, you should be able to do exactly that. My name is Isaac, and this is a minute with AI. So I have here a video clip, but I want this to be the background. The video that I want to crop is this. So let me add it here, and here we go. I want to crop this image of this lady meditating. So to do so, I'll go ahead and create another timeline so that this first video becomes the background and this becomes the video that we want to crop. So I'll create another track by just clicking on top here and then select track operations, and under it I'll select add video track. And now we have two tracks. Let me move this a little bit up so that we can see it well. Now I'll go ahead and move this track that I want to crop on top of this, and I want it to sit in between here. Great. So if I go ahead and place this cursor here, we can crop this by simply going to filters, and we have filters here. Alternatively, you can find filters here in Shotcut. So if I click on filters and then go click on add a filter, search here for the function called crop. And as you can see, we have various crop functions such as crop circle, crop rectangle, and then crop source and mid-size matrix. So I'll select crop rectangle like that. And now you can see we have the border margin option that you can use to crop. So you can now drag from this edge to crop it. And as you can see, if I drag like this, the other portions will be eliminated. I can also crop from this side. And there we go. I can also crop from top to bottom, just to a level that I feel I'm comfortable, and that is it. Now the problem is I can't see our background video, and the reason why I think this black is because we have the padding color here, which is black. So to remove it, just go ahead and tap on transparent, and if I tap on transparent, and now you can see it exposes our background video. Now the next thing is to move this cropped video so that it does not block our background video. The problem is if I go ahead and just move it here, it is still too big and our background video will still be hidden. So to solve this problem, just go and click on filters here and then add a filter, and then from here look for size, position and rotate, and here's the function. So if I tap on this, I can now go ahead and resize this, and as you can see, it is being applied. So I can also move it and place it at a corner here, just to a position that I feel I'm comfortable. So I'm comfortable with that size. Now let's go ahead and play it and see. And now look at that. Great. So that's how you crop a video in Shotcut. If this video was helpful to you, kindly hit the like button and subscribe to this channel to support me. Thank you for watching, and let's meet in the next video.